Hello everybody. Today is March 7th, 2026. It is 1:34 in the afternoon, and as you may see, I just swapped out the panel and put this notifier one up here. Since I have, but if you want to know the full detail, I'll make some full detail about why I did this. But anyways, let's get on with the system. So as you can see in the system, I rewired the whole system with all fire alarm cable, and it looks very nice in there, and it's not too messy or anything like that. And I got some extra stuff down there, batteries and all that. So I figured I'd do that. So this is solid wiring, not stranded. And anyways, for the initiating devices on the zone, we have my Cerberus pyatronics MS-157 pole station, which is a very rare pole station. And I did a comparison of that if you want to go back and look at System Test 15. And in here, you're more than welcome to do that. Here's the annunciator. And here's the system sensor I3 smoke. And we have the Faraday 6120 electromechanical horn strobe. And the strobe is wired in series with the horn. And so this is basically be running like a two-wire device. So anyways, the strobe is only 2.0 candela, which is a little bit bright in the non-ADA version, but it is not that bright in person. But just wanted to get that out there. And the system is on continuous. The Faraday horn strobe is on continuous, and this is basically going to sound the same as the 2901 9838 horn, and this is basically the same thing as the 2901 9838 horn. All they did was just stick a strobe on it. So it's basically the same thing as that horn strobe combo right there. It has the same horn and the same thing as this. But anyways, let's go ahead and activate it. System's on continuous. Make sure my hearing protection's on. Let's test this for System Test 16. Here we go. Hang on. And 3, 2, 1. Yep, pole station zone 1. Yeah, that is extremely loud. Yep, the electromechanical horns are no joke. So let's go ahead and stick our reset tool in, reset the pole station, and then we'll move on to zone 2. There we go. Pole station's reset. And now we could put a reset in the system. Alright. And anyways, let's go ahead and activate zone 2. We're going to let the alarm go for 10 to 15 seconds, and then we'll call it a day. Take the cap off my can of smoke. Get my smoke centurion ready. Here we go. Wait for it, and now we wait. I can smell it. There it goes. All right. That was a blast. Holy crap. That was something there. 2-wire detector, which is that detector over there. Zone 2. Take this off. All right. Now we can go ahead and reset the system. Yeah, that definitely sounds like the 20 nano 1 9838 horn on the 40 nano 3 9101 strobe plate. It was basically a horn strobe combo, but so anyways, if you want to look at that test if you want to reveal that alarm in System Test 13, go back and watch the video of that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and that's it, and thanks for watching.